What's good, guys? So I've been asked a few questions on how to improve your hand speed. So today I'm gonna go over a few drills on how to do so. So we're gonna jump right into it. Welcome to the ReggieBFitness. Like that? Yeah? Good. Damn! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reggie B. So guys, today is an important episode of my boxing series. A lot of people has been emailing me and DMing me on how to build your hand speed. When you're boxing, it's not all about power. Remember, it's about footwork, hand speed, and power. So today I'm gonna go over 3 drills that I put together that I use myself that definitely has improved my hand speed that you guys should do more than one time out of the week to definitely stay consistent and get your body used to moving your arms as much as you do. So guys, we're gonna jump right into this video. You guys ready? Let's get it. Drill number 1, throwing 100 jabs. So the thing that you guys need to realize, the jab is your leading hand. That's the one, especially if you're orthodox, that's the hand that's gonna help you set up with other punches, whether you're doing a jab cross, jab right uppercut, jab right cross. That hand should be your fastest one because it should get the person to really shock them. So when you use that power hand, you're setting them up to knockout. So guys, what I want you to do, so let's just start off with a minute. I want you to focus on getting a resistance band and throw 50 jabs with the resistance band. 1. So you want to keep your hand up at all times. You don't want to get used to just throwing it. You don't want to get lazy. So I want you to do 50 jabs, just like this, for a minute. And then I want you to start throwing it for reps. So that's why I said 100. So just start it off, throwing it a minute, and then do 50 jabs with the resistance band. After you're done with 50 jabs with the resistance band, then I want you right away to drop it and throw the next 50 without it. Drill number 2, throwing 100 punches with the right cross. So the thing, as I told you in drill number 1, getting your mind used to throwing that jab hand over and over. I want you to do the same thing with your right cross. You don't want your jab hand to just be the fastest and then your right cross is slow, because you can get to the person fast of bam, and then this one does like this. By the time they get hit, you want to able to connect with your other shot. So if your shot is a little too slow, that jab is gonna get them, and by the time they come back down, they're seeing you getting ready to cock back to throw that next right. So you want both hands to be as fast as each other. The jab's always gonna be a little faster because it's closer to the person. So the jab is over here, so it's always gonna get to you faster than this one getting to you. But what I want you to do, I want you to use the resistance band, exactly what I had you do in drill number 1. You're gonna throw 4 minutes straight just to loosen up your shoulder. For a minute. After you hit it for a minute, then I want you to do 50 punches with the right cross. So you're just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After you hit 50, drop it, and then just use last 50 without it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how you're gonna build that right cross speed. Drill number 3, throwing 100 uppercuts. So what I want you to focus on with this drill, don't worry about power. I don't want you to be throwing as hard as you can. I just want you to be worried about using your speed and the muscle endurance of keeping those hands up and keeping them constantly throwing. So what I want you to do, keep your feet just like this. And for each hand, I want you to count them as 1. So you're not gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want you to do 50. Once you're done with 50, then I want you to drop them and then do the same exact thing without anything. So you're gonna do you wanna get your hands and that muscle endurance to build up. Because when you're boxing, remember, keeping them hands up at all times is very important. So you want to get your muscle used to throwing constantly without getting tired. That's how you're going to build your speed, and that's how you're going to build your muscle endurance. So the next time, guys, when you're using this, I want you to focus not on just one round. I want you to focus at least 4 times a week if you're really serious about building that hand speed. So you want to use exactly what I said, 50 with the resistance band, with the uppercuts, and then 50 without it. So you're getting used to throwing nice and fast. There you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed my video. Keep in mind, when you're trying to build hand speed, guys, consistency. I say it all the time in every one of my videos. When you're trying to build chest, when you're trying to build shoulders, legs, any exercise, you want to stay consistent with it. So the next time you go to a boxing gym, or even when you're at home, if you have a resistance band, focus on these drills and do them with good form. Don't just throw them lazy and just throw them. No, you want to stay nice and tight. Throw the jab. Same thing with the cross and with the uppercuts. You want to focus on those drills, and I can guarantee as time goes on, your muscle endurance is definitely going to build. And not only that, your hand speed for when you're fighting an opponent or you're hitting a heavy bag is definitely going to improve as well. So guys, remember, also don't forget to hit that notification button so you know when my next video comes out. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, I'll be real proud of you.